Supercharge your online learning by uniting the power of Moodle and WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We'll start by installing a plugin to bridge the gap between WordPress and Moodle. Navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Moodle integration or keywords related to connecting learning management systems. Several plugins offer integration, so choose one with good ratings and recent updates. Once you find a suitable plugin, click Install Now and then Activate to get it up and running. Now, look for the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard. It might appear in the main menu or nested under Settings. Open the Settings page to configure the connection. This is where you'll need information from your Moodle site. Typically, you'll need your Moodle URL and possibly an API key. Let's switch over to Moodle to gather those needed details. Log into your Moodle site as an administrator. Head to the Site Administration area, then navigate to Plugins, then Manage Tools, and finally, Manage External Services. Here we will configure a web service to allow secure communication. Create a new external service and give it a descriptive name. Authorize users by assigning the Moodle administrator account within the new service. You will need to add and configure the functions that WordPress will have access to, for example, user creation and enrollment. With the access configured, copy the Moodle URL and generate an API token. Copy these values, as we will need them in our WordPress administration. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the Moodle URL and API token into the plugin settings. Click Save or Update to establish the connection. The plugin should now offer options to synchronize users, display courses, or single sign-in features. Configure these settings according to your specific needs and desired integration level. And there you have it, Moodle and WordPress working together to create a comprehensive and seamless learning experience.